The PowerSmart 4400-watt inverter generator offers a robust power output, making it suitable for home, recreational vehicle, or job site requirements. With an impressive runtime of 11 hours at 25% load, this generator minimizes the need for frequent refueling. Despite its powerful capabilities, the generator operates quietly, ensuring it is unobtrusive in residential areas or during outdoor camping. Its lightweight and compact design enhances portability, allowing for easy transportation and storage. Safety is a priority with features like carbon monoxide detection and low oil level shutdown, providing peace of mind during operation. The generator's compliance with Environmental Protection Agency standards ensures it meets stringent environmental and safety guidelines.